Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English in Easy Steps. I am Emma, and I am so happy to be your teacher today. I am truly feeling wonderful. How are you feeling right now? This is a very important question. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are tired, and sometimes we are a little bit sad. Understanding our emotions is part of being human, and learning how to say these emotions in English is a big step for your fluency. Today, we are going to practice speaking using the shadowing technique. I want you to listen to my voice and repeat what I say. Here is how we do it. I will say a sentence, then I will say, "Now repeat after me." After that, I will say the exact same sentence again. I want you to copy my sound and my emotion. If I sound happy, you sound happy. If I sound calm, you sound calm. Let's start this beautiful session together. Let's begin with the most beautiful emotion, happiness. When we are happy, we smile and we feel light. I am happy today because I am with you. Listen to this sentence. I am very happy today. Now repeat after me. I am very happy today. Very good. Let's try another one. I have a big smile on my face. Now repeat after me. I have a big smile on my face. Happiness is a choice. Every morning you can choose to be happy. It is a very positive way to start your day. I choose to be happy. Now repeat after me. I choose to be happy. Sometimes we are not just happy, we are excited. Excitement is when you are very, very happy about something in the future. For example, maybe you are going on a trip tomorrow. I am so excited about my trip. Now repeat after me. I am so excited about my trip. Learning English can be exciting too. Think about all the people you can talk to. Learning English is exciting. Now repeat after me. Learning English is exciting. Another word for happy is glad. We use glad when we are happy about a specific situation. For example, if your friend is okay after a bad day. I am glad you are okay. Now repeat after me. I am glad you are okay. I am glad you are practicing with me. Now repeat after me. I am glad you are practicing with me. When we feel happy, our heart feels warm. It is a great feeling. I feel good in my heart. Now repeat after me. I feel good in my heart. My life is full of joy. Now repeat after me. My life is full of joy. You are doing a fantastic job. I can hear the happiness in your voice. Remember, your voice is powerful. Let's keep practicing these positive emotions. We are taking small steps, but we are moving forward. Let's continue to the next part. We talked about happiness, but life has different colors. Sometimes we feel sad. Sadness is normal. It is okay to feel sad sometimes. Maybe you lost something, or maybe you missed your family. When we are sad, we don't have much energy. I feel a little bit sad today. Now repeat after me. I feel a little bit sad today. It is okay to cry. Crying helps our heart. Sometimes I cry when I am sad. Now repeat after me. Sometimes I cry when I am sad. When we miss someone, we feel a space in our heart. I miss my family very much. Now repeat after me. I miss my family very much. Another word we use is upset. Upset is when you are sad and maybe a little bit angry at the same time. For example, if a plan changes and you are disappointed. I am upset about the news. Now repeat after me. I am upset about the news. I am very disappointed. Now repeat after me. I am very disappointed. Sometimes we feel lonely. Loneliness is when we feel alone and we want a friend. I feel a bit lonely tonight. Now repeat after me. I feel a bit lonely tonight. But remember, you are never alone in this English journey. I am here with you. We are learning together. I have a friend in my teacher. Now repeat after me. I have a friend in my teacher. When you feel sad, it is good to talk to someone. Talking helps you feel better. I need to talk to a friend. Now repeat after me. I need to talk to a friend. Tomorrow is going to be better. Now repeat after me. Tomorrow is going to be better. Let's practice one more for when we feel down. I am feeling a little blue. Now repeat after me. I am feeling a little blue. In English, feeling blue means feeling sad. It is a very common expression. I am not feeling blue anymore. Now repeat after me. I am not feeling blue anymore. Excellent work! Even when we practice sad sentences, our English gets stronger, and that makes me happy. You are doing very well. Let's talk about a different feeling now.
Now let's talk about a strong emotion, anger. Sometimes we get angry. Maybe something is unfair, or maybe someone is rude to us. When we are angry, our face gets red and our voice gets loud. It is important to control our anger, but it is also important to say how we feel. Listen to this sentence. I am very angry right now. Now, repeat after me. I am very angry right now. Sometimes we say mad instead of angry. It means the same thing. Please don't be mad at me. Now, repeat after me. Please don't be mad at me. Another feeling is annoyed. Annoyed is like a small anger. For example, when a fly is near your ear, or when the internet is very slow. The slow internet makes me annoyed. Now, repeat after me. The slow internet makes me annoyed. I am very annoyed today. Now, repeat after me. I am very annoyed today. Then we have frustrated. This is a very common feeling for English students. You want to say something, but you don't find the words. You feel stuck. That is frustration. I feel frustrated with my English. Now, repeat after me. I feel frustrated with my English. Don't worry, frustration is part of learning. When you feel frustrated, just take a break. I need to take a deep breath. Now, repeat after me. I need to take a deep breath. Take a deep breath and relax. I am going to stay calm. Now, repeat after me. I am going to stay calm. It is not good to shout. I don't want to shout. Now, repeat after me. I don't want to shout. Sometimes we are in a bad mood. A bad mood is when everything feels difficult and you are not happy. I am in a bad mood this morning. Now, repeat after me. I am in a bad mood this morning. But a walk in the park can change your mood. I want to feel better. Now, repeat after me. I want to feel better. You are doing a great job repeating these sentences. Your pronunciation is very clear. Anger is a difficult emotion, but you are handling it very well in English. Let's continue with the next group of feelings. Let's talk about fear. We all feel afraid sometimes. We feel afraid of the dark, or afraid of snakes, or maybe afraid of speaking English in public. When we are afraid, our heart beats very fast. Listen to this sentence. I am afraid of spiders. Now repeat after me. I am afraid of spiders. Some people use the word scared. I am scared of the dark. Now repeat after me. I am scared of the dark. It is okay to be scared. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is moving forward even if you are scared. I am brave and strong. Now repeat after me. I am brave and strong. Now let's talk about nervous. This is a very important word for you. You feel nervous before an exam or before an interview. I feel nervous about my English test. Now repeat after me. I feel nervous about my English test. My hands are shaking a little bit. Now repeat after me. My hands are shaking a little bit. Don't be nervous. You are doing great. I am going to be fine. Now repeat after me. I am going to be fine. Another feeling is worried. Worried is when you think too much about a problem in the future. I am worried about my job. Now repeat after me. I am worried about my job. Stop worrying and start living. I am not going to worry anymore. Now repeat after me. I am not going to worry anymore. Sometimes we feel anxious. It is a stronger version of worried. I feel a bit anxious today. Now repeat after me. I feel a bit anxious today. But we can find peace. Everything is going to be okay. Now repeat after me. Everything is going to be okay. You are doing amazing. Speaking about fear helps us to be less afraid. Your voice is sounding more confident with every fragment. We have 2 more parts to finish our session. Let's keep going. Now, let's look at some other feelings. For example, boredom. We feel bored when we have nothing to do, or when a movie is not interesting. Listen to this sentence. I am very bored right now. Now, repeat after me. I am very bored right now. This book is very boring. Now, repeat after me. This book is very boring. I need something fun to do. I want to do something exciting. Now, repeat after me. I want to do something exciting. Then we have surprise. Surprise is when something happens and you didn't expect it. It can be a good surprise or a bad surprise. I am very surprised to see you. Now, repeat after me. I am very surprised to see you. What a wonderful surprise. Now, repeat after me. What a wonderful surprise. Sometimes we are shocked. Shocked is a very big surprise. I am shocked by the news. Now, repeat after me. I am shocked by the news. Now, let's talk about a feeling we all love, calm. When you are at the beach or in a quiet forest, you feel calm. Your mind is quiet. I feel very calm and peaceful. Now, repeat after me. I feel very calm and peaceful. The music is very relaxing. Now repeat after me. The music is very relaxing. I am at peace with myself. Now repeat after me. I am at peace with myself. Another word is relaxed. I feel relaxed after my vacation. Now repeat after me. I feel relaxed after my vacation. It is important to find time to relax every day. I am going to relax on the sofa. Now repeat after me. I am going to relax on the sofa. And what about confused? Sometimes English grammar is confusing, right? I am a little bit confused. Now repeat after me. I am a little bit confused. Can you explain that again, please? Now repeat after me. Can you explain that again, please? Don't worry if you are confused. Learning takes time. I am learning step by step. Now repeat after me. I am learning step by step. You are doing a wonderful job. We have covered many emotions today: happy, sad, angry, afraid, bored, and calm. You are building a great vocabulary. Let's go to the final part of our episode.
Before we finish, let's quickly talk about physical feelings. In English, we often use the same structure for emotions and physical states. For example, I am hungry. Listen to this sentence. I am very hungry. Now repeat after me. I am very hungry. I need to eat something. Now repeat after me. I need to eat something. I am thirsty. I need water. Now repeat after me. I am thirsty. I need water. After a long day, we feel tired. I am exhausted and I need to sleep. Now repeat after me. I am exhausted and I need to sleep. I feel very sleepy. Now repeat after me. I feel very sleepy. That is the end of our shadowing practice for today. You did an incredible job. We have practiced thousands of words about how we feel, both in our hearts and in our bodies. You should be very proud of yourself. Remember, speaking about your emotions is one of the most important things you can do in a new language. It helps you connect with people, it helps you make friends, and it helps you understand yourself better. I want to give you a small tip. Every day when you wake up or before you go to bed, ask yourself, how am I feeling today? And answer in English. You can say, today I am feeling energetic, or tonight I am feeling a bit tired, but happy. This simple exercise will make your English very natural. Consistency is the secret. Don't stop now. You are doing great. If you like this episode, please subscribe to our channel, English in Easy Steps. It helps us to continue creating these long sessions for you. Also, if you have a friend who is learning English, share this video with them. We want to help everyone speak English with confidence. Thank you for spending this time with me. I am Emma, and it was a true pleasure to be your guide today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and always remember that you are capable of amazing things. I will see you in our next episode with more conversations and more practice. Have a beautiful day full of positive emotions. Goodbye for now. Bye-bye, everyone. Take care.